Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. I don't know if you passed the S Chassis know how to park test, cause dog, look.
I know, right?
Hey, Tim's loving it. He's got all this room over here.
Bucket seat issues. You gotta like come up here and you gotta like open the door like this.
Yeah.
So you can see the shit. And
Laughs in automatic. All right, there we go. We picked up another set. The first set of VSXXs that we put on the car were a little bit too aggressive, and they were 17s, which most S14 guys run 18s. So, we found another identical set that is of better spec, and that is 18s. We actually already have them on the car right here. This back end could use a little bit of work, but come check out the front. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. You gotta keep in mind, the last set that we had was poking out like this far out of the car, whereas these are much better in here.
goddamn! Jesus Christ.
The collection.
You should lay on top of it. Let me take a picture of it.
They could use a little bit of polish and buffing out. We're gonna try and get these lips all nice and shiny. We have two identical sets of VSXX work wheels, 3-piece baby. We're kings. We got the goodies.
Got the goodies. Did you already show them the Johns?
Oh yeah. You wanna go see the Johns? Because we got them all laid out.
Okay, so JackUltraMotive here is VSXX Poppy now. Okay. I don't know, Z, he may have his Blitz 03s. But then we got these.
The XX game, this is what we're taking on today.
And it's the Flex, they're all the same color.
We got spares on show on spares on show.
Can I get a rag?
Yes, sir. You got
Wait, you didn't go B-Star? What you doing? You got this stuff? B-Star? What you doing, boy? Can I borrow a rag?
Yes, sir.
Shout
the
out.
McGuire's only up in the house.
Yes, sir.
Shout out to the fam.
And we're using their wheel cleaner.
And yeah, we are. Do you guys need some wheel cleaner? Oh, let me show you. Down in here, we got the collection. We got the waterless wheel and tire, the interior, the leather. So we got
Yeah, okay.
We got some of this if we need some of this. You pick up one of these cone-shaped thingy-mabobbers from your standard O'Reilly's. You also get, what do you got here?
Okay, this is the Mother's Mag and aluminum polish right here.
Which I'm sure McGuire's makes some, but you guys could use the McGuire's stuff because, you know, Mother's is okay.
Yeah.
And then you get some McGuire's rags, and then you guys just have a standard drill. That's literally all you need, just any drill. And then you attach that to the drill.
Yep.
And then you go in.
Yeah. Ideally, you want to wash like the wheels first, like soap and water, you know what I mean? But we're just gonna use the quick detailer on here, just kind of spray it around.
Yeah.
Spray it. Okay.
Spray it and pray.
Wipe it. Okay. It's already looking a little bit better,
Oh,
but
yeah.
it's gonna look a lot better here.
Because like right now, it's basically like a very opaque kind of.
Yeah, but you kind of see if you zoom in, you can see all the water spots. You see all this kind of crust,
All that grime,
right here.
yeah.
Yeah, that shit's all gonna go away.
Ooh, you're going poof, disappear.
It gonna go away. Okay. So you grab a little bit of this.
I will say it's very satisfying to do.
Put it on. Don't be afraid to lather it. Lather it. Okay? Come over here. Blot. Okay? Just like you're getting wine off a white shirt. Okay?
Is there some
And don't be afraid to put some more polish on there. Don't be afraid. Okay?
Would you be
Don't
afraid of?
Okay, then you're just gonna want to work it like this. Get in there deep.
Oh, work it.
Get in there deep. You see that? You can kind of see like the blackness here. I don't know if you can really see it, but
Yeah.
you can kind of see that blackness coming out. Look at that. Okay. You're gonna want to come over here with the rag. Okay, and you're gonna want to clean that off.
Surgery.
Clean it off. Okay.
Oh, dude, that's crazy.
Still got a couple little water spots on there, but just kind of come back through
But overall,
and hit a couple
that's already,
more
I mean,
it's
that's
already
that's
10
what
times
you
better.
said.
I mean, you can see the
You can
shine
show that.
Yeah.
is kind of back.
Yeah.
but-
Show the viewers.
We
That's
used to
what-
have this, and now we got that. Dang. And that right there is how you polish your lips.
That's how you polish your
Go
lips.
ahead here. Let's do a small segment. Small little thing. Let me see.
What do you call it? It's one of those scenarios. So we picked up this kid off the street. He's just a he's a bystander, and we're gonna show you that any 14-year-old can do
grab
this.
Any 14-year-old on the street.
No, don't do that. Don't grab 14-year-olds.
Whoa, cut! Why don't you go over and wipe that off, boy, and see what's going on there?
Okay, that really shows it right there.
Holy cow.
Oh my gosh. Like, look at that on camera.
Yeah.
Dang. Always keep your lips polished.
And don't grab
Polished
14-year-old kids off the street.
Let me get this straight. So Jesse is such a baller that he's got his brand stickers in his dish. But we're about to see what happens when you buff it out.
Do we just go for it?
Yeah, so just kind of apply some pressure, get it in there next to the face.
Dude, what if you buff your stickers into the barrel? And they're just embedded.
Back and forth motions, you know what I mean? You got big lips, so.
Oh, he got big lips.
You got big lips, so you don't want to work your way out, you know what I mean? Get all the spots.
Okay. Oh.
Oh, yeah. No, that's shiny.
And the sticker's still on there?
Sticker's still
Sticker's
on
still
there.
on there.
Boy, clean as shit now.
For the audience, these are the Weds Cerberus 2s. And how much would you say these go for these days?
Probably like $2,000.
2K. But
I mean,
but
in this spec,
I wanna
yeah,
explain that there's a big difference between like these authentic Japanese
real
origin
wheels. Yeah.
real wheels
Yeah.
rather than like other chrome. Like when people
Dog
say
wheels.
chrome wheels, they usually think of stuff that you see like
Les Schwab.
yeah, on the side of like Les Schwab, or like that's like dub wheel oriented that belongs on like blinged Dodge Chargers or old 2006 Escalades. Basically like like $500 eBay chrome wheels. Like there's a big difference between those and then authentic Hot Boy Cerberus wheels like these. What would you say it's just the way that they're built? They're probably a lot stronger.
Oh yeah, they're a lot stronger, and also
The styles, man.
the styles,
way more
yeah.
stylish.
A lot
Yeah,
of it
exactly.
too is just like
It's a lot of in-person styling.
that, and I think it's the development too is pretty expensive for like a new real wheel.
yeah,
prices aren't-
they probably go through like
lot of
almost like thousands and thousands
People
of.
say like chrome wheels are rice, but chrome wheels are in, boys. Chrome wheels are in.
Boys,
They are.
you want to
Sorry, they're not chrome, they're polished, but
Yeah, exactly.
Same thing.
Polished wheels are in.
polished wheels are in.
They were in back in the 90s, back in the day, and
They're in there.
we're all just all about nostalgia, you know? We want to have that look, that clean look of the throwback. If you guys can't understand, then what do you tell them?
I don't know what to tell them. I guess they're rice. I don't know.
You know what? Maybe we are just a bunch of rice kings.
Yeah, maybe we are just rice kings.
But-
I don't know. Maybe we know nothing about 90s car style, actually. We've been doing it wrong this whole time.
Wow. This is so fancy. And the track's in here? Wow. This is go-karting in luxury. Are we disrupting the pizza party?
I was gonna say, I think either they recognize you or they're like, who's this guy with a camera? And you're just gonna record them.
Yep. It's funny, like when I bring my camera and I'm vlogging everywhere, everyone probably just rolls their eyes and thinks, oh, who's this like 500 subscriber wannabe YouTuber that's vlogging everything that he does?
That's his job, guys. Huh?
2 races is 40. 3 is 55. How much is it? Fucking 3?
Brennan's paying for his go-karts in cash.
Yeah, always.
Probably the only one here to ever pay in full cash. Oh, and you look like a true,
like I kill people
you know, you
for
look
a
like an
living.
actual C63S owner.
Yeah, it's like some douchebag
from the Russian
dude.
mob. Yeah.
dude, some
You look like
douchebag
a
Russian.
Mobulus Michael.
I just need to start doing donuts.
Yeah, you should start lighting your car on fire.
Where is my mask? Now I have to wear this fucking thing. Fuck.
Now he's stuck with this mask. No regular mask, only ski mask. This dude looks like he just got out of the Blue Man Group.
Oh yeah.
He's ready to go karting right now.
Let's do it.
Oh, wait, go to the side profile. Brennan's going down. Is that right? I guess he is. He's gonna be a tough competition to beat because he does drive a Miata for a living, so.
For a living.
Yeah, for a living. Let's see, where's Jack at? Oh, it's Jesse. Oh, there's Jack. There we go. Yeah. And then there's Austin being classy. Oh, they're going. Ooh, Jack's going for the slide.
Get really close to the inside too.
Oh, what? Wait, oh, the kid spun out.
Now we just shut that. I'm so glad you got that on camera.
It's too zoomed in.
And we getting upgrades. Austin just hit that apex.
Yes. Oh, the boys. Oh! Dude, I think we were all at one point stuck behind Jesse. A solid evening spent at K1 Speed, getting some good kart action over here. Now time to hop into our actual go-karts, especially for Brennan, because he's got the Yada. This man's out of control. He's polishing the stock wheels. Oh my gosh, it's actually making a bro. He's polishing the stock wheels.
We chrome out the stars.
Dude, you should actually polish just the full face. I'm kind of interested.
He's ready to polish the world. If y'all have any inquiries to have your wheels polished, just come to Jesse, honestly.
He's on the whole.
DM him. First of all, ask him if he's 14 or not. Second of all, ask him if he'll polish his wheels.
We took this kid off the streets just for an experiment, and now he's polishing the world.
That's crazy. He was just walking around in the Cars and Coffee, and we were just like, "Hey, little guy, you need a home?" And then he's like, "Sure." So now we're all kind of like his dad now. Yeah.
And now he's just polishing all the
Now
wheels.
he's polishing all our wheels. Damn, Jesse, slow down, man.
Oh my god. He's gonna rip the clear coat off.
Hold on, and then so that's after.
Dude, this actually looks like. Oh my god, so that's before.
Wow.
And then
Looks nice.
after. Oh my gosh. Oh my
He's gonna
god.
go polish things for fun.
Title of the video: Polishing the World.
Yeah. I just look over behind my back before I know it. He's just in.
Polishes the house.
He's up there with the 360 power cone. He's hitting the gutters.
Oh, he polishing the book.
Oh, might as well hit the tail lights.
True. The clears.
Yo, what are you doing on wheel?
Oh, he polishing
Look
well now.
me up. Okay.
Dude,
I'm about to polish that mustard off his shirt.
mustard off his shirt.
On his shirt.
Mustard on his shirt.